what you doing? Oh! I almost fell. It's so sunny. I like the dark. Not really the dark, but I just like playing a lot of games. I fell. Putting this on top, and then putting also this on the. No, there's more. Oh no, this is like that. It's originally like that, but this one has a second side, so I'll just keep it like this. Covering. It's covering. Tomorrow. Hi. Hi, Larry. He's not my main character to play with. Slide this in, fix this. That clean his tank. That was full of poop. Put this down. And I think a piece of poop fell. And yeah. Hi, Larry. Hi. It's my baby parrot, Larry. Larry, you made it in. You made the ball inside. I want to see. You know what? I'll fix it. I'll fix it for you, Larry. Because one, that thing needs to. Yeah. Now the ball's out. Sorry, Larry. You must have been smartness, even though you are smart. Okay. Anyways, he'll learn how to talk later on, so then I can put on a video. Hold up. His water's good, food is good. He only has a little bit left. Yeah, every time I whistle, he always makes a sound. So yeah.